Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here again on our apartment project in Kansas City, 9 King Pier 1s. We are roughly 2/3 done with all of the holes. Looking to actually get them all finished up later this afternoon. So as you can see here, we are 49 inches below the underside of the slab on grade foundation. A lot of rock and concrete we had to bust through. But no, everything is moving right along. We've exposed quite a few failed helical piers. They are not optimal to guarantee raising a footing or a foundation back to its correct level elevation. So that's why we're out here with our King Pier methodology. Yeah, you can see right here, got a lot of rock and everything that we have to deal with. Yeah, everything is 49 inches below, so once all of the digging is done, here's another failed pier. Once all of the digging is done, we will come back in with our high-strength concrete, and we will pour 3 feet of that high-strength concrete until we are 13 inches below the underside of the slab on grade, and then we will install our King Piers on top of that, our load-bearing steel plate, King Pier 2 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, raise that slab on grade back to its correct level elevation, final pour of concrete, backfill, and the piering portion of this project will be done. And then once that's finished up, we're going to use the concrete encasing our piers as our forms. We're going to do some extra excavation between the holes just to pour another additional section of footings just to make sure everything is as structurally stable as it possibly can be. So we are finishing up the holes out here in Kansas City. Again, you can find all of these updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.